I'm Dhanushri Sarkuri, and I'm studying in George Mason University. Right now, I completed my sophomore year. I'm going to be a junior next year. Yeah. There's something new to this whole process, right? From the beginning, agent took care of each and everything. They told us how it works and all. They gave us confidence, like something new to this world and everything, right? So they introduced us like they at first they explained each and everything. This is how it works. So you can get into the university. They gave that sort of confidence and all, and then the approach they have, like usually, like in general, others would have like they treat us in a group. Okay, you have come with a group. Yeah, like treated as a group. But then like they took very personal care. Uh, mm, it's like after like with the agent, I was so prepared. I'm so confident. At first, I was like, okay, could I do this or not? But still, like agent gave me the confidence. They are always back of us. Like every time they're like, if I any of the even though we got the very less marks on the score apart from like test, they used to sit with us like and like Venka sir used to sit with us. He used to like, you could do it. Like this is where you have to improve. Like the care that they take is something like I've never seen anywhere. Yeah. Help like took care of everything. So he he gave certain university to like which would suit me best as per me. Like some in sort of areas I would be like very good at some areas. So based on that, Venkasar helped me to choose the universities. Uh, Through that, I have selected like the best college that suits me. Like that's I could say the dream college. Um, yeah, and coming to the visa, the SOPs part, especially like like something new. I never wrote something like SOPs before.
Mhm.
Uh, so he helped me like how could I improve in those? How could I do that and all? Like he told me just be yourself. Like just write whatever you feel like the SOPs, the questions and all asked over there.
Mm.
Just be yourself and write honestly whatever you feel. That helped me a lot. Of course, Venkasa used to like improvise everything. He used to correct me in certain areas. And then visa process that helped me a lot because like he used to take the mock interviews. Like he used to give like to help us a lot. Like he always like ask questions and ask us to like tell the answers by ourselves. Like at first, if we're like, and then he would correct us like, hey, you could just improve here and there. He would give us so much confidence. He used to be like exactly like how officer would speak, the visa officer. He would just question like that. And then yeah, yeah. Actually, there's a lot. Like, see, at first I was like not sure of like choosing like the abroad thing, but Venkasa told me that like the pros of going to abroad, study abroad and all. I was not sure like I could able to do the study abroad thing at all. Like, see, I'm an average student, so always Venkasar is there in back of me. He used to always encourage, and then I used to struggle like even coming to the communication part. I was not so good at communications. He was like always used to encourage, give confidence to me, like, okay, you could do it. Like he's always there. I mean, like at first, as I said, like I have no idea of anything, any colleges in US. Like to be honest, I'm just like when I started like the SAT and all, I started this researching things and all. I just felt like uh I didn't keep like I should go to this university. I felt like whatever like I could do, the marks I would get and all that the specific university like that level of university would be best for me because uh because I used to say this always like rather than going to like something like big universities like you could always choose like your level because you're always like you'll get demotivated and all because you'll be behind the in that university. So if you go to your like somewhat like maybe a bit above level of your university, you could do at your best. You always feel confident. Um, yeah, I mean, after the everything, all the exams sat, all the things completed, I the university results are out. Whatever the universities have applied, I've got into all of them. So then came the thing where I have to choose a university. There we did a lot of discussions and all, like, which is best. So then I chose George Mason, like, overall, which is best for like in CS, where there's like a lot of companies and all over there. So I chose like there's a lot of opportunities over there in that universities, and the coming to the CS part, it's very, very, very good. Like, it's so amazing. Especially the computer science part. Yeah. Definitely recommend them hygiene because, like, the first thing, the care the hygiene takes, like, it takes like every single student has like their special attention or like individual attention. And two, how agent like approach things, either it be the SAT or education, like the application process and the visa process. It has like agent as like I feel like it's so, how would I say it? They were so professional in things, like, they already knew, like, they're so professional that they knew everything, like, okay, me, they immediately say, okay, this is how like you are, it suits you, this is what it suits you. It could Agent can understand each and every student's capability, and they would suggest us what is best for us.